24, Ford Escape. We're going to show you how to take that wiper off. Now it looks pretty easy. It actually is if you know what you're doing. See how it just pops out? Okay, let me get this guy out and I'll show you how it comes out. Are you gonna come out? Alright, let's use you both hands. See? It's a channel. This little leg in here. This little post. Let's see, are you gonna focus? Of course not. Too close? There you go. There's that little post into my finger. That goes in this puppy. So you snap it in and you slide. Right? So you're doing the opposite when you actually take it off. So you pop it out of this little socket and replace this thing. I'll get the link in the description because you don't need to replace the whole wiper blade. I mean the arm. I tried taking them off. They're a pain in the ass to get off. This is a 24 and it still gave me smack. I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to try to break anything or smash the glass. It's not even worth it. So that's how you replace it. So you're doing pull toward driver's side and wiggle it out. That's how you replace this back wiper plate. So let me show you how to put it back in. So you want to align the post. Can we do it with one hand? Let's see. You want to align the post with this guy. Make sure it goes in, you see? So it's snapped in. Now you want to push this thing over. Can you do it with one hand? Probably not. This is kind of tight because it's brand new. Firmly push it until you hear a snap, a lock. It locks into place. So let's see if we can do it again. You can hear it pulling. No, I don't want to break it, but you want to hear a snap. So you're locking the knuckle back into place. So both hands firmly pull on this blade out towards you, and then pop it out like I showed you. So there you have it. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.